Hello and welcome back at Serinity. Spring continues in Fethiye. At Serinity, nature is growing all around us. The mint is expanding, and the aloe vera grows extra leaves. This cactus is still a baby, but will start to give cactus fruits soon. These are all super healthy herbs and fruit that Mother Nature generously provides us with. We want to share our beautiful surroundings with you. So come along on one of our daily walks. We'll share bits of information as we go. While we have a large variety of fruits and vegetables around here, two types stand out: oats and olives. Meanwhile, the fields are blooming. Yellow is the most prevalent flower color around here. The mountains in the distance are still snow-capped. Now that the days are nice and sunny and there's no summer heat yet, cows, goats and sheep love to spend their days grazing away. Just beneath the cloud, the top of the Bubada sticks out. From there, paragliders start their journey on the breeze toward the turquoise Bay of Elidines. As you will see, many fields are used to produce oats, wheats, and maize. These are meant for human as well as animal consumption. And here's the other species we talked about, olives. We are surrounded by olive trees. As we live in the Mediterranean region, they thrive in this climate. Many olive trees have been growing here for ages, and may have been around even in ancient times. Because these trees can grow to live for 2,000 years. Other olive trees, like these ones, have been planted recently, and are still in their baby years. These majestic heavyweights are Valonia oaks. They are native to Turkey, Greece, and the Middle East. Their wide canopies are ideal for shade during lazy hot summer days. Squirrels collect the acorns, while wild boar come to search for truffles at the tree roots. These large pieces of rock have rolled all the way down in 2012, when Fethiye suffered a rather large earthquake with a magnitude of 6 on the Richter scale. Fortunately, no one was harmed. Also typical for the Mediterranean area are poppies. In some fields they can be dominant. Here, they are more spread out and tend to grow in small groups. All colors are represented in these fields. Unfortunately, we still have some leftover marks from the forest fire we had in August 2021. Some trees have never recovered and stand as barren witnesses of this horrible event. Yet, most of nature has recovered well and bounced back with an abundance of wildlife. We will leave you to enjoy the beauty of nature and this feeling of spring bliss. If you enjoyed this video, please like it, subscribe to the channel and become part of our community. And feel free to share your thoughts in the comments. Remember, serenity grows on the breeze that we create together.